Packed to the gills, unpacking the meaning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a colorful and vivid expression, packed to the gills. Ever heard this phrase and wondered what it means, or how you can use it in your everyday English? Well, you're in the right place. Let's unpack this together. The phrase, packed to the gills, is a vivid idiom used to describe a space that is completely filled up or overcrowded, leaving no room to spare. Interestingly, the word gills here refers to the respiratory organs of fish, but don't let that confuse you. The expression has nothing to do with fish per se, but is rather used to emphasize the idea of something being filled to its utmost capacity. Understanding the origin of idioms can be as fascinating as the phrases themselves. Packed to the gills likely draws its imagery from the way fish are sometimes packed tightly together, especially when caught in nets or stored for transport. This visual representation of being filled to the brim has transitioned smoothly into everyday language to describe any space or container that is brimming over. Now, let's see how you can incorporate packed to the gills into your conversation. After the concert, the subway was packed to the gills with fans trying to get home. I tried adding more books to the shelf, but it's already packed to the gills. The small restaurant is always packed to the gills on weekends, so it's best to make a reservation. Notice how the phrase can be used in various contexts, not just for physical spaces but also metaphorically, to describe anything that is filled to its maximum capacity. To enrich your vocabulary further, let's look at some similar expressions. Bursting at the seams, filled to capacity, overflowing. Each of these can be used interchangeably with packed to the gills, depending on the context and your preference. And there you have it, folks. The next time you find yourself in a crowded place or looking at an overflowing container, you'll have the perfect phrase to describe the situation, packed to the gills. We hope this video has been informative and adds a fun, new expression to your English vocabulary. Remember, language learning is a journey filled with discoveries at every turn. Keep exploring, and don't forget to practice using these phrases in your daily conversations. See you in the next video.